Hey there guys, time for another challenge, and we're doing the Choco challenge from Fuego Box 2020 edition. It's white lightning, so that's white chocolate. I don't really like white chocolate, but it's a challenge, a spicy one at that. I mean, that's all I really do, but you get it. Yeah. So, I know for the 2019 version, I didn't show myself opening the box, but for the 2020 edition, that's what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, it makes more sense that way. I didn't bring my trusty knife. Okay, it opens anyway. Fuego Spice Co. The Cocoa Challenge. And it says white chocolate infused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers. You must be insane. I sure am. Oh, you must be insane to consume this pain. Oh yeah. I gotta use my pinky to get it out. Come on. All right. Last chance to turn back. It says. All right. I ain't turning back. I mean, look. It's a little square. See, I like a challenge like this because it's not. I like going fast with my challenges. Alright, opening this baby up. Nice fast challenge, unlike the mother of all bars where you gotta endure that. But I'm gonna redo that with the full bar. I'll eventually do the full bar. So, oh man, you can smell the Reaper on that. I shouldn't be touching it so much to start getting on my fingers. For white chocolate, it's not. It doesn't look that white because of the peppers. Oh man. So it's a blend, and I'm kind of nervous. I don't have anything next to me, any milk or anything, so this is gonna be a video of me just enduring this freaking pain. So yeah. Hashtag Cocoa Challenge White Lightning 2020 edition in the new year of 2021. Alright, let's go. Oh, gosh, stop. Oh, oh man. Mm. 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 Oh, white chocolate. I like white fudge though. 0 bars are delicious. Okay. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Gotta get it all. Gotta get it all. Excuse me. Oh. Starting to feel that. Oh man. Makes me want to sit correctly. Oh man. Oh, again, hits right in the back. Oh man. It's stinging. Yeah. Oh man. It's not as bad as I'm making it seem with my facial expressions. I tend to over exaggerate a bit. Because I'm preparing for it to just like, bam, like, I know, like, especially Carolina Reapers, they creep. And I feel like that's the predominant pepper. It's lingering. It's a linger. What is that from? Someone please tell me what that's from. Linger. Okay. Huh. This is bearable. Yeah. I can sit. I gotta get me a cool timer for these challenges, so I can like do an afterburn countdown. For this challenge, there's no afterburn countdown necessity, so that's cool. You're just gonna sit and watch me deal with the pain either way. So there. I wish I had the mango habanero coconut ice cream right now. I'll probably grab that in a little while. Yeah. So I'll just read. I'm gonna read this box a little more. Oh yeah. They donate. They're in partnership with Feeding America. 50 meals worth of food, $5 will be donated for every Choco challenge purchased. Oh yeah. Who is Feeding America? 200 food banks nationwide, leading the fight against hunger in the United States. 60,000 food pantries and meal programs in communities across America. They're not sponsoring this, by the way. 4.2 billion meals distributed in fiscal year 2019, including 1.5 billion pounds of fruits and vegetables. Very healthy. Oh, okay. I just had to swallow a bunch of spit that accumulated there. 3.5 billion pounds of food rescued that may have otherwise gone to waste. Well, that's awesome. Hell yeah. Who does Feeding America serve? In the U.S., 1 in 9 Americans struggle with hunger, and 1 in 7 children are food insecure. Over 40 million people receive food and groceries each year through the Feeding America network. Hell yeah. Well, I'm glad that I could contribute in some way by doing a chocolate spicy challenge. Hell yeah. Feeding America. Yeah, people need more food because I know I like it. I'm sure a lot of people like it as much as I do. That's not funny. Anyway, it's dull. I feel maybe because it was like an hour ago. I ate the habanero with the ice cream. I mean, I don't know if that's why this isn't hitting me as intensely as the Coco Loco did. Maybe that one was a lot spicier, or just eating the pepper really just prepared me for this one. Yeah, because this one, yeah, I feel fine. There's just a little tingle in the back of the throat there. So yeah, bring it on, Coco Loco. Waiting for the 2021 version. Hell yeah, I'm out.